Man, y'all get my dog to 1K, man. You ain't subscribe, what you doing, man?
Oh, nigga bitch, you know what I'm saying? Straight up. Straight up. Let's do this shit, oh man. Y'all boys subscribe. I'm gonna tap in here.
Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir.
This shit blowing, yeah.
Niggas be capping, don't really be on it. Check out the plug, I moved out of town. Shop on twin, don't get took down. If I start right, I'm up out of bound. Ziggy twin, no, he gon' stay down. I don't even listen, if I'm already around. Wheelchair spot, you can't stay long. 3-5 a pound, fuck do you want? GTA lane can slide in the trunk. My rank up, can do what I want. Can't save money, get to spending it fast. Somehow still find a way to last. I turn the cat, doing the dash. Expensive shopping, don't even go out.
Nah, I'm gonna make some
like
okay,
I'm gonna make some 2 sticks in the back of this bitch. 200, come on, I'm floating this bitch.
Like, comment, subscribe. You got the best YouTube channel on it, bitch.
Alright, vlog. So we got my car jacked up, man. Getting it took apart. Finna go ahead and damn, I can't even talk. We finna go ahead to the dealership and go pick up my new block. So yeah, finna take y'all with me. We got Kyrie Irving right here. I ain't gonna lie. I'm picking the camera back up when we get there.
I probably know more than some of these niggas, bro.
Alright, these niggas some nude. We done made it to the dealership, y'all.
They got car, kind of police cars in this bitch.
Everything. No, that bit legit.
They working on no weekend police cars and shit.
He barely tapping that bit ugly line. They putting a fuel pump in the fucking rear end. I ain't never seen this before, cuz. We over here working on a demon. I don't even know about that one yet. Speaking of demon, I really got a demon block. I ain't show y'all goddamn us loading it. Cause I was mad I had to spend that much goddamn money. He don't know what he doing.
That's that shit right there. Yeah.
I don't know. Y'all gotta go subscribe to his channel. Got some crazy shit coming.
No cap.
YouTube, what the hell is going on? As y'all can see, man. Just to kill some time, I'm finna paint the lid on the Supercharger. This is my old lid. I know y'all remember. My shit got ate up from the hood. I remember telling y'all that. So, we finna paint the lid. Because, as y'all know, I got a demon motor now. So, we got to go that 170 look. Goddamn. I got this crowbar because we heard something funny in the woods. I ain't gonna lie. I'm finna smack some shit up. But yeah, I'm gonna pick the camera back up when I get done taping. Alright, YouTube. So, I'm just going to show y'all, like, this part, I just sanded it down. It's gonna feel soft, like, this part, I did half of it sand down so y'all can see, like, the difference, kind of. Half of it sand down. All you got to do is get one of these things. I got this from Lowe's. And sand it down. See how that shit, like, it's, you can't feel it, obviously, but this shit soft. This side, that shit look original. You just sand it. As soon as you sand it, then you're gonna get your primer. I'm gonna pick the camera back up and show y'all. Got to sand this other side. My damn hand hurting like hell. So once you get done sanding it, you gotta put that primer on there, cuz. Let that shit dry though, man. Don't be goddamn just spraying the hell out your car. Let that shit dry. After you sand it though, you gotta make sure y'all clean it with some brake cleaner. I forgot to show y'all that. Clean it, primer. Then you're gonna go in with the paint, and then after the paint, you're gonna go in with the clear coat. And then you got these burgers right here, not doing no work.
I'm finna take that bit.
Oh shit. I ain't even gonna show them your shit, but we can trade. Bro, I forgot to show y'all. After I got done, I really just dead ass forgot. But you're gonna put that coat, the color, whatever color you wanna go on, you're gonna spray it, and then you're gonna go over with the gloss. As y'all can see, I went that Demon 170, man, fucking look. My ass just forgot to show y'all because I'm over here working on my car. Finna get it tore apart, goddamn, so my parts will be here tomorrow. So hopefully it should be running by tomorrow. Should be. You know what I'm saying? Over here, taking it apart. I would give y'all a tutorial on how to swap. But if you want to learn how to swap, go subscribe to my Patreon. The link, or actually I'm gonna put it somewhere right here. Y'all go subscribe to my Patreon right now. Like, right now. Like, right now. I don't know nothing about coming to the tool store. Look at that.
Boy, this what shit be ranking up at, bro.
What I'm trying to tell you.
They don't know about this side of the goddamn.
You don't show on this side. Your little head though. Man, when y'all doing the swap, y'all ain't gotta do all this, but we gotta take apart my engine. Like, all this shit look new, cuz.
So you know all the accessories on that bit.
Oh, God. But this is what's the problem right here. Y'all see that big-ass hole in my block? Shit crazy. Bama did this to my goddamn motor.
Damn, boy.
10K miles, kid.
I know what you putting in that bit, though?
Nah. You ain't gonna tell him.
Shit.
Not the regular one.
The regular.
I'm gonna pick the camera back up when we get to dropping the whole crate, and we're gonna show y'all. But we finna knock these control arms out. Make sure y'all knock these out so this whole thing will drop. And then y'all gotta take these the shots off. Gotta take them 3 bolts out. Do not touch that middle one or your ass gonna get popped up, cuz. I'm gonna pick the camera back up in like 2 seconds. Vlog, I'm over here draining out all my oil because, like I said, I'm rebuilding my block. But look at this SRT Hellcat. Oh my God, this shit looks beautiful. Hey, like. But nah, bro. Do y'all see this hole in the side of my fucking block, bro? Shit is OD. 10K miles. Like, the dude that sold me this motor, fuck you. And you better not let me see you in the streets, ugly. Fuck you, boy. 20K on a bitch-ass motor. And I had to spend another 5. No, I ain't even gonna tell y'all what I got, man. God damn. Oh, I just discovered something new, cuz, like, another hole is insane. Another hole on the other side of the fucking block. Bro, that, hey, I'm gonna put that man, his number, goddamn, in the blog. Y'all go spam him and say, fuck your boy, cause what the fuck? Sheesh. Rip red eye motor. Y'all make sure I get the part number. This shit legit, like a lie. Vlog, we're back. We're gonna get ready to drop the motor. We just took the face and stuff off. I think I already showed y'all that, but we had knocked these bolts up as well. Y'all want to see? Yeah, exhaust. Dry shaft.
It's not ready to come out.
Really? And it really only took 2 seconds. I know I said I'm gonna come back in 2 seconds. That's how fast it took for real. You got the 2 SWAT guys over here, Ugly.
I lost my damn phone in the middle of this shit.
I think it's right there.
Oh.
But yeah, you got the exhaust down, as y'all can see. And if y'all want a full goddamn tutorial, go subscribe to my Patreon so y'all can learn how to swap. Cause I know y'all want to learn how to swap with y'all little head ass. So go ahead and go subscribe. It's only $4. Like, you ain't got $4 to learn something. You'd rather go to school and get in debt rather than pay $4. Anyways, yeah. So we'll be right back. Finna drop it. Jesus Christ. We done got it out. We had my boy Nate goddamn on the motherfucking cream, a jigger bobber. Shit out, cuz. That bitch out. It's just a shell. We're out here working at nighttime, but as y'all see, damn, cuz shit's broken. Got a fat ass hole in the block. You seen this shit, the piston, top of the bit was getting ate up. And on this side, the piston not even right. Like, this supposed to be sitting flush. That bit at an angle, cuz. Then we also got a hole on this side. Shit's crazy. But the heads are in here. I'm gonna show y'all. Can't show y'all this geek motherfucker right here. I can show y'all a clip of it. Ooh. But the heads are in here. This is where that thing I just picked up was supposed to go. It broke. And then you can see, like, it's nighttime, so the lighting suck. But all this is chipped and shit. It's not supposed to be like that. This side good. I'm gonna pick the camera back up in a second. Yeah, that shit is horrible. Look at that. This bent rod to show y'all. Bro, the lighting just ass, but what the hell? Nigga, that shit
Bro, you
broke.
can spin it and all, twin.
Oh,
That bitch is a free ride, bro.
bro, what? When can you push this back?
You can. It's probably gonna get stuck though.
Yeah.
At some point.
Bitch already stuck.
That other one, you probably can't even push.
Nah,
It's
that shit so
it's
bent.
just twisted and all. That shit crazy.
All these chunks in this bitch.
Seized in there, boy.
Damn.
Shit, that boy was trying to buy a block.
Oh God, we got y'all for the low ski. You just got to fix that on that side. Put some JB Weld in that bit. You really gonna be straight.
That bit.
You really gonna be straight, bro.
You see the flag?
Hell yeah.
It's crazy. That bitch go all the way through.
Damn, bro. Damn, that's crazy. Y'all, look. The front 2 pistons are literally not fucking moving.
What, this one and that one?
Yeah, show on the other side.
What, they seized up?
Hell yeah. I run off 6 fucking pistons, bro.
Got a V6 red eye.
Like, what? Probably mean that shit's still kind of smooth. Shit crazy. Motor's good. Damn. Jeffrey? All right. dark as hell, chat. Wait, hold on. Alright, go ahead. Oh, Jimmy. That's exactly how we want them. Huh? Regular. Ooh. Ooh. Oh no.
Oh my. My table.
Nigga. Whoa. Nigga, yeah. I don't know who's using this goddamn. Damn.
Boy, Dodge getting that one back.
Hell no, I don't need to take that. I'm gonna pick the camera back up when we get this off. Hold on. Bruh. Let me see. Let me give y'all like make sure y'all really seeing this. Hold on. Like that shit is 8, cuz our piston is gone. Boy, we stopped for a minute to we stopped not working on my car for a minute to help Nate on his shit. And he twerking down. The pistons. Like, look at this shit. Oh my god. Alright, vlog, we done took a break. This nigga went at Wendy's. This nigga went at Wendy's.
Nigga, you
This
going to
burger
Wendy's,
nigga.
nigga?
Oh, we getting Wendy's. I think he got the Krabby Patty meal though.
No. I got some nuggets. Everybody got something.
But everybody did OD on the lemonade, cause hey, we finna when we get back we gonna put his heads on. So we gotta put Nate's heads on when we get back, and then after that, what else? Oh yeah, and then we popping out to a party. So, good time. So yeah, after that, I'm gonna put the camera back up when we get back and put the heads on.
What the?
Do you not see that car? If you don't push that goddamn jack.
Why is he in the fucking bush?
Get your country ass on the side of the road. Well, this is how we starting off the vlog, I guess. We caught a goddamn flat speed. Mike had to come.
Do 18 miles per hour. Damn,
That bitch so crazy about that shit.
Look at the tire, like it's always something with this car shit.
Always something.
Swing that motherfucker. And we're on the way to goddamn go fix my car, man. The parts came. And yeah. I'm gonna pick it back up when we get there. What the hell? Oh! Oh, that plane, that boy don't waste that goddamn E85. Bro, they got something, bro. They got all them goddamn tires. Then they putting some tires on the Chrysler. Well, we done finally made it back to the goddamn workshop. Like a lie. He do not know what he doing.
Big boy shit over here, man.
That boy been doing a little song. Oh shit. Them bitches look shiny. These are new ones? Oh, that shit actually worked.
Yeah.
What the hell? Y'all see these the old things? These the new ones. Shit crazy. Hey man, I think I already showed y'all this, but I'm finna clean this the next day. I'm finna clean these heads. These my heads. These are demon heads. Gotta clean them. Cause they're a little beat ski.
I need scat pack heads. Like a lot.
Hey, I really damn near fixed this whole motor, by the way.
Like a lot.
Let me show y'all this shit.
That bit. Ooh, boy, we about to crank up. Oh God.
What?
That bit look brand new.
But everything in that man motor new, bro. I'm finna take some parts off his shit.
Like a lot.
New rod,
2024
new springs.
Hellcat.
This nigga got a 2024, bro.
I got a 24 Hellcat, y'all. Zero miles on your bit.
Like, he dead ass gotta go goddamn.
I had to break this shit in like I just got this bit off the lot.
Literally.
Okay. And I'm in the lab. We editing right now.
I've been on his ass, bro.
Stay tuned, man.
Y'all go subscribe. He about to get more goddamn active. Cause his ass been bullshitting. But I'm finna clean these. I'm gonna pick the camera back up and show y'all what it's looking like. You dig what I'm saying? Damn. Did I just crash out? Whoa. Alright, well, I just got the springs out of my red eye heads. They right here. I'm gonna put them on the demon heads just because they look newer. Them is a clean hell. Hold on, let me show y'all the demon heads. These the demon head springs. They still look good. They just look a little dry. But I'm just changing all of them up. I'm gonna pick the camera back up when I get done. I'm pretty sure I told y'all I was transferring all the stuff. I already did that. So now I'm just transferring the springs on the motherfucker. A cleaning for the phone?
Yeah.
Boy, shit.
Mechanic Ziggy.
Damn, man.
What is that?
What is what? This?
Yeah.
My head. My demon head. I'm gonna show y'all some magic. All that playing, my shit fall on the ground. Nigga not finna have shit. So sad. Fuck. Too much shit in there. This the trap house.
That right there, the combustion thing in it.
Yeah, you can say that.
I had learned that on the speed channel.
So Ben, come here. Wait, what way this was? Oh, yeah. You eat back now. So I know about that right there. Here. Oh my God. When that bitch sound like that, you know you're doing it right. Yeah,
We need to take the bar down, please.
Oh, God damn.
We got some hard flicks in your car too.
Mine too.
Damn.
What is that?
This is called the. I don't even know.
Yeah. I just got a missed call from you.
We call these the tulips.
Yeah.
Nah, if you look right there, Nate gonna tell y'all what it's called.
Call them shit that, bro. The hell? Look at that. These is valves.
The valve stem.
Hell no.
Ugly.
It's two different valves. There's intake valves and exhaust valves.
Watch how that exhaust valve slide in there. Watch this.
And they're two different sizes.
Oh my God.
255 too.
When that bitch slide in there like that,
Why didn't you go to
you know you're doing it
they
right.
usually go to?
Hell no, bro. Hell no.
So these are the new springs compared to the old ones. So look how that shit look. These shiny and that bit black as hell, cuz. Hey, I'm gonna pick the camera up when I get done with this whole side. Or really, I'm gonna pick the camera back up when I get done with both of them so I can show y'all. Alright, vlog, man. We're over here cleaning up the pistons. For y'all that don't know. Hold on, what's a better one? Y'all can really see right here. The piston say 18. I know y'all see that, it's right here. Let me zoom in. Say 18. If you know, you know. Don't no goddamn red eye. Ain't no red eye come out. Ain't no damn 18. So, what that mean? Alright. Anyways, I just got done cleaning the heads, and I just changed out all the springs. These are the demon heads right here. These are the red eye heads. If anybody knows somebody who needs some red eye heads, let me know. I'm using the demon heads, cause why not? It's a demon. I lie. But I got Burger Boy in here. Finna finish up this, cleaning up this block, and then we're gonna get to, you know, the good shit, putting it together. I like. So I'm gonna pick the camera back up in like, I don't know, maybe 2 seconds. All right, go ahead and do the top. We're finna knock my pen out.
Yeah, cause he don't need it.
All right, boy, stop beating on my damn crank.
You gotta make sure it's flat with that motherfucker, bro. A little double tap ain't gonna do nothing.
Ooh, no more pin. Damn, man.
Damn, man. One engine on, the other engine off.
It's crazy. It's crazy, man.
Not the regular. Not the regular.
Why is the block red? All right, y'all, we got the heads on. And we done put the head gaskets on. Y'all see them motherfuckers shining. Yeah, we gotta go to Dodge in the morning. I'm gonna record that too. I'll get the torque wrench from Trey. That good snap-on torque wrench.
Make sure it be a torque down to perfection, man.
Trying to tell you. So, probably gonna cover this up and get this in there. Come here, baby. Let me pick the camera back up. And I don't even know when. Y'all just stay tuned. We up working. It is like, what time is it? About to be 5 o'clock. Come on, man. Y'all make sure y'all go subscribe. And subscribe to this burger.
Subscribe 4 times.
And hit that bell 4 more times. Y'all, we literally been up for 24 hours.
Past that. We passed that.
Well, we been up, bro. And I got the oil pan on. Finna flip this over and torque down my head bolts. And then I'm gonna put my valve covers and stuff on. And what them bitches called?
What?
The rods, push rods.
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta put them in. And yeah, the demon is almost done. I gotta lie.
That boy got the big boy.
You gotta peep the stance too, by the way.
Peep what it is though.
Peep the
Dang, I
stance.
really just zoned in on burnouts and shit.
Watch out, bro.
It be like that though, bro.
Peep the stance, bro. That's how you gotta hold
That's the
it.
torque stance. That's a lot of foot-pounds right there.
Then,
Green light. And it vibrate, bro.
I mean, go.
That's the real one.
Oh, we on 4.
Got the torque sequence right there.
Let me go to 5, by the way. 5 a little loose. But it ain't gonna start, you know what I'm saying? It ain't gonna start twerking until that bit know it's tight. That bit smart as hell. Gotta get the stance. If you ain't doing the stance, bro, you ain't twerking your shit right, man. You might as well give it up. Let's go along.
How many bolts is it, bro? You got torque down.
6.
I'm talking about like how many in total though?
10.
Hell yeah. Then place E5 at the top on each head.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. Yeah. Okay. Might be money. This is a little different from what y'all, from what I'm used to now. We actually going in the engine. Alright, y'all, man. I just got done putting the valve covers on and the coil packs and the spark plugs. Man, this motor is looking like a freaking motor, right? And now I'm losing my voice. Bro, I still haven't got no sleep, bro. Since I've been recording, bro, non-stop, I swear. Like, this shit that serious, gang. But I'm finna probably connect the exhaust next so I can have something to lift the motor up. Have some type of support to lift the motor up. I could get it from the motor mounts, but I don't think it's gonna be leveled how I want it. See, it's already leaning. This motor is heavy as hell. Shit leaning off the jack stand. Like, I gotta go ahead and get this big guy, this big demon off this jack stand, man. So I'm gonna probably get back to y'all. When I pick this camera back up, the engine is probably gonna be off this jack stand. And probably be like lined up, getting ready to go back in the car. So yeah, stay tuned. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. If y'all not, y'all some burgers. And I'm gonna start calling y'all Interlink, man. Just because that's the name of my group. So y'all gonna be Interlink soldiers, man. Y'all wanna become Interlink, y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. And let me know if I should change my name from Life with Ziggy to something else. I already got a channel that's called Ziggy, so that's not gonna be the case. And that channel will be my pranking channel. I'm coming back trolling, so man, if y'all wanna see that, go subscribe to that channel. Man, Nate Motor already on the ground, man. We is not playing. No sleep, bro. Man, it bit like a damn crate motor, man. Vlog, I forgot to show y'all the progress, so we got it in. Yeah, I really forgot to show y'all, I'm sorry. But it's in, we just got to do small things. And I guess I'm just pick the camera back up when we do the first startup. And then crank her up, cuz. I got live. Bitch, smoked out. My shit done did a burnout already, face up. It was hella more smoke than this, but. Finna slap the exhaust on and drive shell. I'm gonna be right back. Vlog. We're back. And this motherfucker work. So y'all know what we finna do. Finna go on the test drive.
That big crank right up.
Woo. She's a little beat up still. You know what I'm saying? The bumper. But hell. So do it, Burger. Oh, you already got it? The jump box in there, right? Alright.
Hey, this damn seat loose.
Bro?
Hell yeah.
We driving. How did it move like that? Damn, I ain't got no gas no more. If I had 170 miles, now I got 97.
You like that, man. See.
How the fuck that happened?
See him, bro. You know it go off miles per gallon. It's just a guesstimated range of how you driving.
Big bro. Been already set up, big bro. It been good, cuz. Oh, I thought that shifter was down. I'm selling. This neighborhood? I'm just turning around.
Cut through this bit, bro.
couldn't even do that shit.
Them bitches is wicked, bro.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
They popping a wheelie, like. Yeah, we got 5% residue. I'm up. I know you fucking lying.
What?
Oh, damn, we don't even want to go up. This that sealed. I gotta take that shit off.
Nah, it just ain't automatic right now. Automatic.
My baby back, bro. What the hell? Damn, this thing fast. Damn. Bitch still running smooth, by the way. There's a whole lot of burning going on. Left.
How the brake feel though?
The same, honestly. I think them shits is always like this. Not going on.
Man, you just did all that and your range still went up. Y'all see that motherfucker, man. This big all the way to the side. Might change this motherfucking name to Sideways, Jeffrey.
Bitch, I pull up that pain in the head. Wet, they gon' hate on me. Of course, they beat your pop.